In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause browsing history on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know how to stop Chrome from saving your browsing activity to your Google account, which helps if you want a little extra privacy across your signed-in devices. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're signed in if you usually sync your data, because we're about to change a setting tied to your Google account. Look to the top right of Chrome and click your profile icon. It may show your photo or the first letter of your name. In the menu that opens, choose Manage your Google account. This takes you to your account settings in a new tab, where you can control privacy and personalization features connected to your Google services. In your account page, choose the Data and Privacy section. You'll find it in the navigation options on the left or near the top on smaller screens. This area is where Google groups your privacy controls, including what gets saved and what doesn't. Scroll to the History Settings section and select Web and App Activity. This is the control that determines whether your searches, Chrome browsing history, and activity from Google services are saved to your Google account to be used for things like faster searches and personalized recommendations. On the Web and App Activity page, click Turn Off. Google will show a detailed explanation of what pausing does. Take a moment to read it so you know exactly what's changing. New activity won't be saved to your Google account while this is paused, but your past activity remains unless you choose to delete it separately. Some personalized features may become less tailored during this time. To confirm, click Turn Off again on the prompt. That's it. Web and app activity is now paused. You should see the status reflect that change. Once paused, this setting applies to your Google account, so it carries across devices where you're signed in and syncing. A few helpful notes before we wrap up. Pausing web and app activity does not delete what was already saved. It simply stops new activity from being added going forward. If you also want to avoid leaving history on the local device, consider using an Incognito window or a guest profile for sessions you don't want stored on that computer. And whenever you're ready to resume saving activity, return to the same Web and App Activity page and turn it back on. That's all you need to pause your browsing history in Google Chrome at the account level. Thanks for watching, and take control of your privacy with confidence.